Ever wondered why freshly cut grass smells so good? It's not just a pleasant scent, it's actually a distress signal. When grass is cut, it releases chemicals to warn nearby plants of danger. It's like a plant-wide alarm system. Isn't that fascinating? It shows how plants communicate with each other, even without words. So next time you smell that fresh-cut grass, remember, it's more than just a nice smell, it's a whole conversation happening right under our noses. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video.